Now, given the system of linear equation, we have 3x plus 2y equals to 12. And we have 5x minus 3y equals to 1. Now, the first thing, you move this to this side, move this to this side. So this gives us 3x plus 2y minus 12 equals to 0. This is 5x minus 3y minus 1 equals to 0. So the first thing, you pick what? The first two Coulomb coefficients. Now, our first two Coulomb coefficients is what? That's 3, 5, 2, minus 3. This is the first two Coulomb coefficients. Now, what you are going to do now, once you pick the first Coulomb coefficients, you look for what? The transpose. So the transpose is what? Once look for this transpose, this will give us 3, 2, 5, minus 3. So from here, we look for our delta. Let's look for the determinant of the transpose now. This is what? 3, 2, 5, minus 3. Now, looking for the determinant, this will give us what? Minus 9 minus 10. And that gives us what? Minus 19. Don't forget, you pick the first two Coulomb coefficients. Now after that, you look for what? The transpose. Let's look for our delta 1 now. Delta 1. You pick the next two Coulomb coefficients. That is the second and third Coulomb coefficients. Then you look for the transpose. So the second and third Coulomb coefficients, we have what? That's 2 minus 12 minus 3 and then minus 1. Now the transpose will give us 2 minus 12 minus 3 minus 1. So let's look for the determinants. This will give us what? Minus 2 minus 36. And that gives us what? Minus 38. Now, we want to find our delta 2. Delta 2, for us to get our delta 2, you leave the second Coulomb coefficient. You pick the next two Coulomb coefficients, that is the third and the first Coulomb coefficients. So we have minus 12 minus 1, 3, 5. So let's look for the transpose. The transpose will give us, for delta 2, the transpose will be what? 12 minus 12 rather 3 minus 1, 5. So we look for the determinants. This gives us what? Minus 60 plus 3. And that's what? Minus 57. Now, our x is what? Delta 1 over delta. And that gives us minus 38 over minus 19, which is 2. Our y is what? Delta 2 over delta. That gives us what? Minus 57 over minus 19, which is 3. So x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. So this is how to solve system of what? Two equations, two unknown, using what? Peak transpose method.